What's up, you guys? This your girl Daisy Flower Girl, and I am back with another video. Welcome, my squad. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And today I have Cookout. I don't know if you guys have Cookout in your area, but they just put one in the Georgia, Atlanta area. So, I had to go hit them up. Back at home, we had Cookout, so I was super excited to find out that it came here. So I have the Cajun chicken sandwich, and I have the Cookout rounds. This is the chicken sandwich. These is how the Cookout rounds look. They have it's like hash browns and cheese, cheddar cheese inside. And I also have a chicken quesadilla. I have a big order of more Cookout rounds. And I have an order of seasoned fries. And also, instead of doing sweet and sour sauce, they do Polynesian sauce now. They don't have sweet and sour sauce anymore. And I also, when I go there, I love to get their cheerwine. It's so good. And I have, a cold grace. I always say my grace on camera. So let me go ahead and say it. Lord, thank you for this food I'm about to receive and the nourishment in my body's sake. Amen. Amen. You guys, I can't wait to get it in. Oh, yeah. I've been waiting for this all day. I was going to get a milkshake, but I was like, nah, I ain't going to get it today. I'm going to wait. So this is the Polynesian sauce, you guys. I'm going to try this with the seasoned fries. Sauce not bad. And I heard about their chicken quesadillas are to die for. You can also get it without chicken and beef if you're vegan. So it's pretty good. Like for the vegan people, you can go to different places and eat. You just gotta know how to tell them how to fix your food. These are the bow rounds. Take a bite. I took the big bite first. I'm gonna share the last bite with you guys. But this with hash brown and cheddar cheese. And this is how the quesadilla look. Here, take a bite. And this one I got with chicken. It's so good. And for them to not be known for a taco place, this is so good. And I hope you guys had a wonderful day. I hope that you was able to do everything that you wanted to do in this nice weather. Get out and enjoy yourself. And if you did have a good day, just move on, move forward, and know that the best things are yet to come. And everything will be all right. This is so good. This is the Cajun chicken sandwich with lettuce, light mayonnaise, and tomato. I don't like heavy mayonnaise on my sandwich. And the Cajun is not too spicy, but it give it that kick. It's so good. Also, comment below and let me know what you would like me to do a video on, or if you like me to do a challenge. Let me know. Give me ideas. And if you would like for me to go live on my next video, let me know. So instead of me doing a video, let me know whether you want me to go live with you guys so you can see what I'm actually doing, This is my cheer wine. Ooh, that soda is so good. Shout out to Cutie Cute as well. She's doing good things. And she has come a long way. From so many people putting her down, trying to break her spirit. She is doing awesome out here. Shout out to Cutie Q. This is so good. Their Polynesian sauce is good. It's almost close to Chick-fil-A's, actually. It's okay. It ain't gonna never top Chick-fil-A sauce, though. But for Cookout, it's pretty good. That's the inside of the Cookout round. Yummy. So it's so much that's been going on with the Nipsey Hussle situation. I just, my prayers go out to his family because it's so much, that keep going around saying this and that about what really happened. And I hope that they just found out the real truth about what happened, because him and his family deserves the truth. You know what I'm saying? That was really messed up what happened, though. You can't even be a black person and be great. It's always somebody that want to hate on you. And he was trying to help this person out to make it so bad. This is so good. But I don't know if you have Cookout in your area, but they got different milkshakes as well. I mean, they got a whole menu of everything. Burgers, chicken sandwiches, corn dogs, chili dogs. I mean, they got almost 50 different flavors of milkshakes. What else they got? I mean, they got a $1 menu. They got everything. So Cookout is a beast, for real. And their chicken is cooked to perfection. It tastes like, it just came off the grill. You know how you be having a Cookout and the chicken come off the grill? That's how it tastes. It's so good. I got me too much lettuce. It's so good. But yeah, you guys, I want to travel all summer. But I want to take trips at least every month. So give me some ideas. Where will you be going this summer? Let me know. I don't want to do the same stuff, over and over. I want to do some different stuff. Got my water. Oh yeah, you guys, I got my nails done. How do you like them? I try to pick out different colors because I always get pink. I still got pink, but I put in, a turquoise color inside. Switch it up. So I decided to get my nails done today. Why not do something for myself? Get my nails done. Oh, that water is so good. This pollen down here is so freaking thick. It's crazy. Last year the pollen didn't bother me, but this year, Mm. It's super thick. So I had to get allergy medicine. If you got allergies, what kind of allergy medicine do you take? Let me know. Comment below. Because right now I'm taking Zyrtec. So hopefully that'll work for me. Mm. This is so good. Mm. That Cajun chicken sandwich is so freaking good. It's the bomb. And these cookout rounds is to die for. With the cheddar cheese and the hash brown inside. And they come so cute and round. Mm. They're so good. Like, I could just get these to eat by themselves. Nothing else. So, we sit up here in the drive-thru ordering our food. And, I was going to record it for y'all if I had caught it, but they wasn't fighting. But it was like 5 police officers and a gang of people outside of the Taco Bell. And one lady was on the phone with her people, and she called them up and told them to pull up. The girl pulled up, and she hopped out the car. She was on go. She was ready to fight, like, for real. I was like, oh my God, it's about to be a fight. But they ain't never fight, because the police was going to take somebody to jail. They said in the cookout line, the cashier said that somebody had hit somebody, so that's why they called the police, because somebody had got hit in the face before the police came. I was like, oh my God, people are just so crazy. Like, how you gonna hit somebody in the face and don't expect nothing to happen? That's crazy. But yeah, if it definitely was a fight, oh, I can open this. There we go. But yeah, if it definitely was a fight, I was gonna really record it so y'all can see it. I don't catch action like that all the time. Not where I stay at. Because we don't do that around here. So I'm gonna dip my chicken sandwich in the Polynesian. Take a bite. Take a bite with me. Hope you guys have something to eat. Hope you're eating with me. You got something good to eat. Today feel like a Friday. It don't even feel like Saturday. I missed the fry. Trying to be greedy. I got my food. My ice melted. Cheer wine is the best. I'm sorry. I got happy. I'm banging like down on the table because that cheer wine was so good. You don't understand. When it's that leftover cheer wine and it ain't got no ice in it. So good. It's like the Cajun. It's not too spicy. It just give it that kick. And then it's so grilled and tender. Look at that. It's so cute. Take a bite. Take a bite with me. I haven't ate all day. No. I'm trying to think, what did I eat? Oh, no, that wasn't today. Yeah, see, I didn't eat today. It was so good. The chicken quesadilla. You guys, if you're just not coming to my channel, you know what to do. Please comment, subscribe, and hit my notification bell, so you'll know each and every time I do come on. We'd love for you to be part of the family and be a beautiful flower. You guys, I'm almost at my goal. Well, I take baby steps with my goal. I don't just say, oh, I want to get the 1K. So right now I'm at 723, I think, or 724. So my goal is to get to 750 or 800. So if you guys can please help me get there, that would be awesome. Especially my old subbies and my new subbies that have been rocking with me. Share this video, share about all my other videos, you know, tell your family, friends, like, comment, subscribe, you know, hit my notification bell. Definitely, I appreciate all the support. This food has been really, really good. That's so good. And all the new people that I've met on YouTube has been like a blessing. Like, I love them so much. They have great spirits, and that's what I like, positive vibes. I love positive people, good people. And I feel like the people that I be talking to on YouTube, like, we've been knowing each other forever. You know, like, I feel like they're my friends, and we just know each other. Like, we haven't just met, like, we've been knowing each other for years. So it's really an awesome, great feeling. Oh, goodness. Whew. So yes, I'm super full, you guys. This has been awesome. All the food was delicious. It was to perfection. And you know I'm bringing back another video, so stay tuned, you guys. I love you guys so, so, so much. Thank you for everything, you guys. I love you, love you, love you, love you. And until next time, my subbies, mwah, bye.